Hello friends, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how we can post an image to our Facebook account. So for that, again I am going to create a function post image getting fb object dot, and we have put photo method, and here we need to give the image and any message which we want to post with the image. So like here I'm going to put this is test comment for an image, and here we need to give the image path. So I'm going to copy this image and I'm pasting in the project, so like this, and I'm naming it test.png. So here I'm going to give test.png. Now in Python, every time when we need to use any file or image or text file, now in Python, every time when there is need to use any file, so we have a function by the name open. So we are opening it and giving next parameter as read byte, which is RB. So we need to use open function to use any file like we are using test.png. Now let's run this. Okay, so I need to use this in main. So like this, and I'm commenting the post on wall. Now I'm going to run this. Let's see what will happen. So we are getting error. Some of the alias you requested do not exist. This is test comment for an image. So I need to give the parameter as message equals to this. Now let's run this. So we have no error. Now let's refresh my page and let's see whether we have that image or not. Yes, we got the image. This is the test comment for an image. So image is successfully posted on our wall. Now let's let me delete this. Yes, it is deleted. Now, so this way we can upload an image to our wall. Now we can upload image to our albums also. So for that I'm creating another function by post image to album, and again I'm going to use the same. Now I just need to remove this parameter. I need to use album path. Now here I need to give the album ID and the album. So now here I have created an album by the name Python test. So this is the ID we have for album. Now I'm just going to paste it, and I'm going to put photo in my album, so like this. So now let's run this. I need to copy this, so I'm commenting this and pasting it. Now let's run this again. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so unknown path, so spelling mistake. We need to put photos. Now let's run this. So we are getting error invalid album ID. For this, I need to give permission to user photos, and again I'm getting access for this. So submit it, copy, pasting in the access token. Now let's run this again. Yes, we have no error. Now let's refresh this album. I'm refreshing it. So yes, we have the image in our album. So like this, you can upload photos to your album. Now we can update our profile pics also. So I'm going to create another function, update profile pic, and here same function we need to use, put photo, and all will be same. I'm just going to copy and pasting here. Here you need to just put the your page ID, and instead of photos you need to use picture, ICTURE. Yes. So like this you will update your profile pic also. So I'm not going to run this function because it will update my profile pic, which is I don't want. Okay, so here I can update my FB dev page. So this is the ID of that page. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm pasting here, and now I'm running it. Let's see. Uh, hmm, okay. So here we got the same error, which is that we are using the user access token, not the page access token. So if we have the page access token, then we can update the profile pic also. So let me just go to that. So let me just go to that. So FP tab, sorry, return to user access token, and here publish pages. Okay, we have all the permissions. So get access. Now I need to have FB tab. I'm submitting it. Copy this, pasting here, and now let's run this. So like this you can update your profile pics also. If you like the video, hit like button. If you have any question, you can comment in comment section, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.